something from my bed, and it's Batman related. And you guessed it right, more Batman. So he's going to be part of this collection. So, without further ado, so far, you know I got a new Yin and Yang mini skateboard. Pretty cool, huh? And you saw my latest video was that to hashtag Ninja Turtles skateboard tricks. Thank you for all those likes. And I really appreciate that. Now, number 2, when I got from my sensei from yesterday, he got me my own plushie of Naruto. Yeah, of Naruto. Yeah. He's a licensed product. My new best friend. So, yeah. So, I got a cute ninja plushie. And his name is Naruto. So, he's awesome. And I got a brand new shirt to go with the skateboard. Which is for the new film, for the Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles new show that will be coming out soon. So this is the one that I remember watching. So yeah, I like this one because it's better than all the other ones. To represent the new film, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. A movie's coming out for that. And I'm going to wear that when that goes. I'm going to go and see it with this shirt and the hat as well too. And now, the new final part is the BatMan bedding. And here it is. This is the reversible comforter. And you can see it back here. Yeah. So if you like this video, make sure you bless this video. If you love Batman related stuff, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles as well. And I hope you guys like this video. And I will give you the full tour later on down the line for new licensed products. But first, I need to get something away. So, yeah. And you will get to see the whole new bedding on my bed soon. With the room of the tour of the Batcave. And then, yeah, between the Ninja Batcave. So, make sure you like this video. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Batman unboxing. So, hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you love ninja items and Batman related items. Stay tuned on this channel. So, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and always keep collecting. And I see you guys later, my homies and my homegirls out there. So, yeah, I catch you guys later. Peace and have a lot of safety fun in the sun. Get peace. See you guys later.